Welcome to Niinja. In this section, we'll be going over the record detail page. And to get here, I'm going to just go back. From my results screen, I clicked on the fifth NIN. So if I click on it again, we'll get back to the detail page. And we'll get data right up here at the top in the heading, which is the item name and the NSN. The first thing after that we'll see is the identification table. If we roll over one of the headings here, we get the context help for what that code actually means. This is really useful because some of these codes can be pretty cryptic unless you're an expert at this data. To drill down, if we roll over the actual data point under criticality, we see that X is the current value. We get a context help description about what X means. So in this case, it means not CSI. If we roll through this bar here, we can roll through month by month to see that since July of 2013, the value has been X. Now this is all blue because the value hasn't changed. The value changes, we'll see a different color here for each different value. So it's really easy to see when and what a value changed to. I really like this map view here. It shows you where the suppliers for this NSN are on a world map. And we can click on a point, we can see this National Diagnostics, Chemical Specialists, and it gives you a little summary view here in the call out that appears over the tag. Clicking on the cage name here will take you to the cage detail screen, which we'll cover in a future video. If I'm interested in just looking at this reference information in list view, I can click on the list button over here and I get my reference table in list view. Similarly, we can roll over fields to see its context help and its data's context help as well. Further, we have the management view, which we can sort by department or major organizational entity. And the grid that displays management data will update to only display from that organizational entity. Now, if I want to see all of them, again, I'll click the list view and we get all the organizational entities with data. One difference in the management section is the way that we track history on unit price. We get this spike chart. And this is a great example because we can see that the price changed in September to October, and then again it changed. So it gives you a 12-month view here. Rolling down further, we get on-demand data for more detailed information, including phrase, characteristics data, its freight packaging information, some cross-reference information, including FSC Schedule B, and we can see its actual sales. Mo rule is the last one we have down here. So I'm going to roll the way back up. I really like this NIN and I'm going to use it for future demos. And so I'm going to mark it as a favorite. And I can do that just by hitting that star. Now, this NSN will show up on my search page in my favorites dashboard. If I just like this in CSV format, I can click on Export to CSV, which is this button here. And similar to how it works on the results page, I'll get all of my tables in this CSV spreadsheet. All of the data is pulled and displayed for your convenience.